Picture this, you are getting ready, you put on your favorite basic outfit and it feels just okay. Then you pop on a pair of statement earrings that weigh absolutely nothing but instantly make you look like an art gallery owning fashion icon. If you are tired of heavy mass produced jewelry that pulls on your ears and look just like everyone else, welcome to your new obsession. Today we are diving into the ultimate crochet earrings lookbook filled with unique lightweight designs that are taking Etsy and Shopify by storm. Whether you are looking for the perfect boho vibe, a pop of category charm, or sleek modern geometry, we have got inspiration that you can buy right now to elevate your style. Stick around because by the end of this video, you are going to find the exact pair your wardrobe has been begging for. Let's kick things off with a crowd favorite, the Modern Botanical Collection. There is something so magical about transforming simple, high quality cotton thread into delicate micro crochet flora. Look at the Monstera leaf dangles. They have all the bold impact of a giant statement earring, but because they are crafted from premium yarn, they weigh less than a penny. You can wear them all day without that annoying tugging. And for my category lovers, look at these dainty daisy drops. They add an instant touch of whimsy and nostalgia to any outfit. Every single loop and knot tells a story of patience and craftsmanship. When you buy these from independent shop online, you aren't just buying jewelry, you are buying wearable fiber art that people will stop you on the street to ask about. Now, if your style leans a bit more edgy or retro, who says crochet can only be cozy? Let's talk bold geometrics. We are seeing massive trend on Shopify right now for oversized crochet hoops and abstract statement shapes. Think 1970s retro color palette, burnt orange, mustard yellows, and deep teals, woven into stunning chevrons pattern because crochet love for incredible structural flexibility. Artisans are combining fiber with wooden rings, brass stars, and metallic beads to create gorgeous mixed media pieces. They frame your face beautifully and bright, a vibrant pop of color to a simple black turtleneck or a casual white tee. They are loud, proud, and completely unforgettable. What makes these articles so incredibly special compared to what you find at the mall? It's all in the love details. Every single pair you see on our Etsy and Shopify stores is handmade by actual humans who have spent years perfecting their tension and technique. These earrings are thread with hypoallergenic skin-safe stiffeners, ensuring they maintain their gorgeous shape and never drop, while remaining incredibly soft against your skin. Plus, when you spot these online creators, you are spotting sustainable slow fashion. No giant factories, no massive carbon footprints, just pure creativity. Packaged up beautifully, often arriving at your doorstep with a personalized handwritten note. It's luxury jewelry.